Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Jquery. And in this session number 2 we are going to make the first example of the Jquery, in which we are going to change the color of our HTML you can say the HTML tag H1, H2 or something else. So just go and start the program, and I'm going to create a program in PHP file or HTML. You can use wherever you want the Jquery, and here is the title. I'm going to change it, the first example in Jquery, and I'm going to save it and just save with the name of first example. Okay, after that, now we are going to include the Jquery files in our this PHP file, or you can say that in the HTML file. For this we will use the script tag, because we already told you that it is a JavaScript file library. So add source here and browse. I place this Jquery files here, and after that you just go to click it and just close this script tag here. After that you will add a script and okay, for that purpose I'm just adding H1 selector here, and change Jquery and Jquery first example. I can say that you can write something or whatever you want. You can change or add the colors of any selectors or tags in the HTML document object model. So I am going to add a script here and add the type, and use this JavaScript type JavaScript text JavaScript here, and after that I am going to add this script here. Now we will write all the codes of Jquery in this tags, between two tags, script type or this one. So first of all you will use this $sign, because this $sign is always the indicator to the that it is a Jquery example. So after that Jquery, when you add a small brackets, then you can see two things, a document or this. I'm using document. After that I'm just go to add a dot space dot identifier, and this will call all the methods of the Jquery. There are a lot of there, and you can see that these are all are using the properties from inherited from the Jquery. You can see that, and I'm using to add the ready handler, and after that I'm just using this one. This means that when the document will be ready, it will execute the method between that, and after that I'm just using the H1, and after that this is a very simple one, that you can use this tag, something like this. But when you just add dot operator, then you can find that there is nothing will be shown, because you are going to forget this $sign, and after that you will add the tag. You can see that all the tags of the HTML are shown here automatically. If you are not using this $sign, it will never shown like this. After that you can add the property of whatever you want, and here is the properties of different things. You can see that add, after, AJAX, for, AJAX, append, attribute, before, blind, blur, change, clear, click, closes, contents, and the different functions are there. Since we are going to change the color, and this color property belongs to the CSS, so I'm going to change the property with the CSS. And as I already told that this Jquery is very helpful for us to change or mix up, or you can say that work with the HTML, JavaScript, and even the CSS here. and I'm just want to say after that you can add the color property, and don't forget to add double quotes here and when you are using color here, and the second argument will be the property name and the second one is the value here. And I'm just picking the new color. You can see that it's a color here. Okay, after that you just add simple one. Okay, now we will run this program, and I think if we will see that in the Jquery, and now we will run it in the preview in the Google Chrome here. Now you can see that the color was changed, and if you are not so much satisfied with this color that either it was changed or not, then you will change these colors. Okay, I will make it like something. Okay, now we will see it in another browser, and it will be shown in the UC browser. Okay, now you can see that when our document was ready, then it will change the color of our headings. So if you will use, remember that if you will use this document, when it will load, then the color of the specified tag or selector can be changed. So if you think if you will not use the proper CSS file, then you can perform the task with Jquery. Okay. Similarly, if I want to refresh this page, then you can see that the document is here. But if I want to change the background color of this one, then just I will add $, and after that I am using the paragraph tag, and here I will use CSS, and after that I'm using the background color, and here is the background color, and after that the second property I will use it something like I think it will be good for. Okay, now we will refresh this page, and you can see that the background color of the paragraph was changed. Similarly, if you want to change the other properties, you can add more than that with this one .css, and use the color property once again, and I want to check it out, and it will be white here. And now we will refresh this page, and you can see that the color of the font was changed here. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope this will introduce you with the Jquery, and it's very simple to use and handle it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.